Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Steam account online on your computer, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I have already logged into my Steam account over here, and have to log into your Steam account on this interface. At the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see here is a username available for us where it says the manage account. If you hover over that, click on your username at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, and this kind of menu will appear where you will be required to click on the account details of this section. Click on account details and you'll land on this section of your Steam account where you'll be required to scroll down on this interface under the category of account details. And when you scroll down at the bottom of this page, you can see the delete my Steam account option available for us. Click on the delete my Steam account, and you can see, guys, these are the steps to delete your account, which is shown by the Steam itself. So first you'll be required to verify your ownership of your account, and after that Steam support will respond to your request to confirm your information, and your account will be locked and deleted in 30 days. So with that being said, guys, after reading all of the information, click on the proceed to account deletion and give the required information from Steam over here, and here it says attach a file if you want the Steam support to know anything else you'd like them to know. And with that being said, guys, enter your information, click on the send button over here, and after reading or getting the information by the Steam support, your account will be locked and deleted after 30 days. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to delete your Steam account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.